Okay, great. So, welcome to the end of the session for today. So, I would like anybody, or let me just start from my best friend. He's my best friend here today. So, from the scale of 1 being bad and 10 being good, how can you rate the quality of the class?
Yeah, I think it's 8.
8. Okay, what about the instructor?
I'll give him 9.
9. Thank you. What about you, sir?
For the class, I would say 9.
9. Okay. Could you please speak up a little bit?
And the instructor 9.
Okay, thank you.
First class 9. And then instructor, I think 10. Joanna told me that I'll give you a 10.
Thank you, sir. Though you got in late, but I'm quite sure you'll be able to do some justice.
But from this side, the class is
Top notch, right? Thank you.
and you have been very wonderful.
Thanks so much. Ma,
Yes, sir.
I need 8, 9, 8 for the material,
Yeah.
9 for the instructor. Okay, thank you. Sir, 8, 9? Because you guys are sitting together, you are making me. Okay. What about you, ma?
9.
Thank you, Gary.
Yeah,
So-
probably okay. 10.
10. That's not possible. I don't even want to take that.
It's not possible.
It's not possible.
For the materials, I'll say 10.
Okay.
Instructor 8.
Is it
I'm jealous. The materials, the quality of the materials, and the quality of the class. The quality of the class dictates the quality, as in of the knowledge that the instructor might have impacted on you. What about you, sir? Sir?
I say I'm not here to see 10 over 10. So
10 over 10.
9.
And Mr. Jonathan?
8
For the class. Okay.